Haka Jingialang ka ba ay mensiem ya ke TMC Meghalaya kumbasan Hajar Ngut ki Paidbah kilawan ban Sakhi Haka Jingialang ka party menta ka pratarik uno pra Hajar puar Nongstoiñ West Khasi Hills. Haka ni ka Jingialang la don lang president ke TMC uba Charles Pingrop bat unong yalam u Dr. Mukul Sangma haka ba kila play ka office ka party Nongstoiñ.
I'm not surprised by the kind of political narratives that is being generated by the political parties who are collectively in the government or running the government. We are seeing political parties, the BJP, pointing fingers at NPP for alleged irregularities and alleged corruptions. We also see allegation of similar nature coming from different political parties and pointed at NPP and other parties. The whole narrative revolves around alleged irregularities, alleged corruption. As I say, the power is with the people. How do we use this power to protect our interests and defend our interests and defend the interests of our Jharkhand youth? Please tell us, since we all are seeing what is happening across the nation, who is fighting against this powerful and might of the BJP? All other political parties have stopped or decided to stop fighting against BJP's agenda to protect the interests of our Jharkhand, to protect the interests of our people's culture, way of life. We show a powerful conviction in Trinamool Congress to continue fighting against the agendas of BJP.